Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Rachel and I'm so glad that you guys stopped by. So I do a lot of random lifestyle type videos, DIYs, clean with me's, day in the life. So if you guys like those kind of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So I've been thinking about doing a series. It's a 5-week series and it's called Spring Cleaning. I took a template off of Pinterest for spring cleaning, and I thought it would be a great tool to share with you guys and kind of bring you guys along with me as I spring clean my home. So to start us off for our spring cleaning series, I wanted to share a bunch of cleaning supplies that I got from the stores. I went shopping, and as you can see, it's like falling out, it's overflowing, but I went shopping for all kinds of springtime cleaning supplies. And what I mean by that is, if you notice, everything in this bin is like pink and purple and floral and just all of spring goodness. So it's everything and anything that is springtime, and it just smells super yummy. So, and the reason I like using these springtime type of supplies, I've never really been into like the scents and things of cleaning, but as I'm getting more and more into cleaning, I'm really loving the different scents that there are out there. And how much more inspiring will it make you and encourage you to want to clean if you have something so cute like these cute little floral sponges. So this is a sponge that I got from Target, and it only cost $1, and it is a cute little it's almost like a sherbet colored shape floral sponge. And again, how cute is this? I really like anything that just screams spring because that's gonna help me want to clean more, and so it's definitely plus for the household. Okay, and the next thing I got from Target were these really cute little towels. And this one just says hip hop hooray. And then this one back here is just a really pretty polka dot. Let me bring the light down because it is hard to see. This one's just a pretty polka dot color. Both of those just scream spring, and I really love the cute little bunny on this one too. Okay, and the next thing I got for my spring cleaning is this Suavitel. And this has 20 sheets in the scent of soothing lavender. I've never tried this before, but just smelling it out of the box, it smells really good if you guys are into lavender. I'm gonna show you guys in my videos coming up what I plan to do with this, and it's not for the dryer. Next item I got is this Comet with bleach, again in the lavender scent. And if you guys don't see a trend here, lavender is my favorite scent as of right now for spring, so I got this. So I was at Dollar Tree and I just kind of picked up anything pink and purple, so the majority of this stuff did come from Dollar Tree, but I wanted to share these two things with you guys. I got a Sure Scents. I've never used these before. Well, I have used them, but not this brand. This is called Sure Scents in the scent of cherry blossom and lavender. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I have kind of mixed feelings about this. You guys know how I love lavender, but this just smells kind of funky. I don't even know what to describe it, how to describe it. It smells like bubbles. I don't know. It doesn't smell like lavender. So I would don't pick this up if you guys are at Dollar Tree. But definitely, this is definitely a good one. It's in cherry blossom, again, the scent. And it definitely smells much better. Smells like cherries. So if you guys are gonna pick one of these out, definitely go with this one. And this next one is probably like my top 3 favorites. And this is Love My Carpet, and this again is in the Lavender Dreams scent, and this smells so good. If you guys have not tried this, I'm not really big on like carpet deodorizers, but this is what you sprinkle over your carpet before you vacuum, and you leave it there for like 15 minutes, and it helps to freshen and deodorize your carpets. This scent is a really good scent. It smells awesome. This is a really good scent. It almost smells like a candy, and that's probably why I love it so much. I picked up these rose scented bags, and they just look like this. And nothing too special about them. They are pretty thin, but I plan to use them for my bathroom trash anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But they do carry a very light fragrance, and it does fade once you open the bag or have the bag out for a while. The next item I picked up was this Lysol Clean and Fresh, again in the lavender scent. And actually this one is lavender field scent. I'm not gonna sniff this, I just trust that it's lavender, so got that. Okay, so I picked up this air freshener. Again, I'm not really big on air fresheners, but it was pink and it was pretty, so I picked it up. It's Magnolia and Cherry Blossom. I did take a quick sniff of it in the store and it smells really good. So I went to Target and picked up a couple of the Mrs. Meyers. After smelling like all of the scents there, I ended up with these two. So I ended up with the lavender scent and the lilac scent. Okay, so I can't tell you which one out of these two is my favorite because I really love them both, so I picked them both up, but these are just multi-surface all-purpose cleaners. And then if you guys haven't already seen these bottles at the Target dollar spot, they're super cute. These little stick-on clings also are there at the Target dollar spot as well. They're both $1 each, so you can't beat that. But it's really pretty if you guys haven't already seen this. It has this really pretty floral color on it, and I really like this. I have I think it's a Mrs. Meyers all-purpose cleaner in here right now. So originally when I was at Dollar Tree, again, I picked up everything pink and purple, and I picked up this Palmolive, and this is in raspberry coconut. But then I went to Target and I found the Method dish soap, and it's got like this sample attached to it. But this is in pink grapefruit, and if you guys don't know, pink grapefruit is like my, I don't know, it's between #1 and #2 right now for favorite scents. And so this is a really, I mean, I had to pick this up as soon as I smelled it. They do have an all-purpose cleaner too, but because I got the other ones, I decided just to go with the dishwashing soap or for this. And if you guys have not seen this, this is what I use for my floors. This is kind of like a multi-purpose cleaner as well. This is the Clorox Fragrantia. I don't know how to say that, but it looks like this. And this works, I mean, this works like a multi-purpose cleaner. No complaints about it. Nothing spectacular, it just cleans like it's supposed to, but it smells really good if you guys are into, this is a spring scent, into like those floral smells. To me it smells really close to one of the Mrs. Meyers, I forget the scent, I'll try to put it down below which one it was, but I really like the smell of this. That I like the smell so much that I got the wipes for it too. They sell this at Dollar Tree, and again in the same scent, and it's just the wipes for that. And the last item I got was this Febreze First Bloom. And if you guys know me, I love spraying my couches and my carpets and anything with some kind of like a refresher. And this one smells really good. I already tested it out, and I wanted to go with something a little bit more natural, but I couldn't find a scent that I liked, so I ended up with this one because I didn't want to trigger any of my girls. They kind of have sensitivities to, like, you know, allergies and things, so I ended up going with this one, so hopefully it doesn't trigger anything. That's it for this haul. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. A lot of these items I got were spring related because spring is coming up, and if you're anything like me, it makes my job a lot easier to clean my house if I have really cute stuff to clean with. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what is your favorite cleaner, your favorite scent for spring. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.